Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Microsoft Teams tutorial for beginners. For beginners, I'm gonna give you a quick tutorial on the Microsoft Team. So here at the Microsoft Team for beginners, you will see right here are all the options on the left side. So here we have the chat, we have the meet, communities, calendars, and activity. So here we're gonna start with the chat. Here's the chat. Here can be put all the private combo of your friends or group. As you can see here, you can create a new chat, or you can do meet now. So here we have an option to click on the meet top left corner hit meet meeting name. So there we go. Then you may start the meeting and get the link for this and then send it to a friend or a person to start the team meet. So here you will see a new chat. Here the new chat you can create much chats. You can either enter their name, email, or phone number, and you can add them to your chat and then chat them right here. At the here on the right side corner, you will be able to chat them right here. And then here, you can add a group name by just clicking on that right there. And then add the group name. Let's say the group name is cool. Then enter person, enter people. There must be at least 2 to 3 people in the group. I mean 3 or more people in the group. There you go. Or you can just start with just 2 people, but you need to click another person. So yeah, here we have the filter. Filter all by name. Let's say there's a lot right here, a lot of people right here, and you want to find your friend or the group. Just type down the group and say cool. There you go. We found. And here on the left corner we have the meet. Here you can do a create a meeting link, schedule a meeting, join with meeting ID. So create a meeting, you'll be the one who create it. Schedule a meeting, you'll be the one who created right there. No, there you go. You'll be the one who creates the meeting, and then you will start it. And with the join a meeting, so this one is the other one. Um, the only difference between here and here is this: you can schedule the meeting to your preferred date or time. And here, join with the meeting ID. So a person must send you their type their meeting ID. So we're gonna type a meeting ID right here, and then if they have a passcode, type the passcode right here. They click on join meeting. After that, we're gonna go with communities. So here at communities, you will see all the communities you can do or you can join right here. Here you will see here files that you can upload like PowerPoint, Microsoft, or any files that you need to upload right here and send it to a community or your team. Here you can invite members, and we have the create welcome message, set up your community, and create new event. To add more channels to this, just click on add channel. There you go, create a channel in school. So watch this as we will have a channel in schools. Owner may add up to 5 channels per community. So here, right now the school, our title is school, but you can give it anything else. Let's say um, we're gonna add a classroom. So inside the school, we have a classroom channel. There you go. As you can see, that's under the school section right there. And we have our files and photos that can be added right here. There you go. And then you can post announcement or post. To create another community, just click on the create your community on the top left corner in the middle next to filter. Click on that, then create a community, create my own, or you can choose from any of these templates right here that are given. There you go. You create your own, add a image, then add your description right here and name of your community. Or you can just click on the given right here. Business already have an image and a name. You only need to add a description and then click on create. After doing that, here in the left corner, we have the calendar. Here, you can check all the calendar meetings right here. If there are any meeting you will have on that specific day or specific time. So after right there, you can join right here. And you can also join with an ID right here on top right corner. Or you can start a meet now. There goes. You can also start it the meet now right here. And after doing that, you can click on new meeting right here. So a new meeting right here is what you do when you want a new meeting. It's like a Google Meet, but you can also time it like Google Meet, when and what, and yeah, all of that. So here you can have descriptions, details, or any other information you want to put in your Google meeting. I mean, Microsoft Team meeting. Here, activities. If you have any activities that will need to be done, click right there. You will see it right here. And if you will see if there's a mention or a reaction and other notification right here on the left corner. If you have a mention, a friend mentioned you, or a reaction on your chat, it will be reacted right here and you will see it. And here at the settings, you will see all the settings right here. So we have the general, we can change it, opening content, starting chats, and we have the meeting as, and all of that stuff right here. Time zone, translation, editor spell check, keep the up bar when releasing, enter special bar, and so much more right here. And right here at the bottom, we have the Microsoft Cloud storage that we are only allowed to use 5 GB, but now we've used only 2% of it because it's 0.1 GB that we use. We have appearance for our appearance here at team, our Microsoft team, on what will it look like. As you see, the skin tone preference is none. We can make it light, medium light, or dark. Notifications, here you can do on and off on notification. Here at Microsoft Team, here there's a lot of notification and all of the stuff. So yeah, so there. If you want me to cover the full settings here in Microsoft, just type it down in the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer you. But yeah, I'm just gonna give you a brief explanation on them. Here you have the privacy right here. All the privacy, like manage how people can find you, manage how to add you to the group, have the accessibility, change your language, device, audio, and all of that. People, sync contacts, or manage block users. Files we have here. If you want to change the file location when you are downloading, plans and upgrades, so you can change it to and best plan for you. But right now we are using the free one. And here we have the Team Insider program. Here you can get access to update before everyone else. So here it encourages you to join the Team Insider program to get exclusive access to new features, updates before they reach the general public. You'll have the opportunity to give feedback and help shape the future of Teams. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below. Happy to answer you, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.